Adopting Agile often starts strong, but then it stalls. Teams struggle to adapt, and real agility never seems to take hold. Sounds familiar? That is because true agility isn't a framework you install, it is a skill you develop. And that is where Agile Kata makes the difference. Agile Kata is a structured approach that helps you build agility as a habit. Inspired by Toyota Kata, it provides a simple, repeatable routine to drive continuous improvement at all levels of your organizations. Our training takes you beyond theory. You will learn how to apply Agile Kata to develop high-performing teams, scale agility, and sustain lasting change. Through hands-on exercises, real-world discussions, and expert guidance, you will gain practical tools to lead agile transformations, whether you're a team member, scrum master, product owner, or leader. Plus, with Agile Kata certification, you will validate your expertise and stand out as a leader in agile change management. Agility isn't something you implement, it is something you practice. Join my Agile Kata training and get certified. Go to effectiveagile.com and sign up today. Let's turn Agile into a habit together.